Hi guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to my tutorial series with WooCommerce. In this video, we'll see how to install WooCommerce on your WordPress. Before we dive into a topic, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel to receive more awesome contents with WooCommerce. With that all said, let's crush this. To install WooCommerce in your WordPress, you'll have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So go to WordPress admin panel and enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, hit on login. So now you have reached to your WordPress dashboard. So here, search for the plugin you would like to install. In this case, we are going to install WooCommerce. So hit on plugins and click on add new plugin. So under the search plugin bar, search for WooCommerce. So now we can see the WooCommerce plugin. So hit on install now. So it's installing. Let's wait for some more time to get it installed. So now it's installed, and once installed, click on activate button. So we are done. The WooCommerce plugin is activated now. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and this wraps up our tutorial. So see you in my next video.